Hi, I'm Kimberly, certified driving instructor for Aceable. Today we're going to be talking about how to brake at stop signs. As you approach a stop sign, you want to make sure to stop behind the white line. Use visual cues like your dashboard lined up. Pretend the dashboard is your line, or use your side mirror to see underneath it if there is a white line. This is going to make sure that you don't hit any pedestrians and also to keep you from blocking traffic. It will also help you make safe turns. Another thing to think about when stopping at stop signs is there are two classifications. There's a legal stop and a safety stop. A legal stop is stopping at a designated point behind the white line. A safety stop is stopping where you can see both ways. For example, I'm stopping here, but I cannot see both ways. So I'm gonna scooch up so that I can see. And then once I have a clear, unobstructed view, I'm gonna go ahead. Also, when you're learning to drive, you may find yourself in different vehicles, your parents' vehicle, your mom's, your grandma, grandpa's, and this will require you to adjust to each vehicle. Stopping and the braking sensitivity in each car can kind of feel clunky at first. So in conclusion, stopping at stop signs isn't just about passing your driving test. It's going to stick with you for the rest of your life. If you want to be a safe driver, then you need to learn how to stop properly. So remember, the more practice that you get, the better you're going to be, and you're more likely to pass your driving test. Hey, you want to ace your permit test? Click the link in the bio to learn more.